When we barbecue,
we use firewood, charcoal, and gas.
it produces a large amount of oily smoke. With its bright fire, it may cause mountain fire in the wild.
Today we introduce you to the outdoor electric griddle PowFire PF2401. With PTC heating technology, it can increase the temperature to 160 in 5 minutes.
It's very small, easy to carry.
When using, you can add barbecue tinfoil, easy to clean the surface after grilling. Very environmentally friendly. It has an ultra-long battery life, power, 388.5 Wh. A single battery can be used for grilling for 90 to 120 minutes. The griddle can also be used with an external power supply, so you don't have to worry about running out of power. Without oily smoke, safe and healthy, let you in the wild enjoy the camping life.
Grill foil keeps clean and tidy after use. Teflon coating, with it is non-stick, it is easy to clean as well. It contains a USB port to charge your cell phone.
It can also pancakes, stir-frying, cook rice,
and boil hot water for coffee.
The outdoor electric griddle is not only a time saver, but also convenient and easy to use. Whether you're having a family gathering, camping or picnic, it's the ideal choice.